Hey Christine, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I wanted to say a big thank you for allowing me to make this video for you today and to be able to go over a few things with you. And at the end of this video, all I would ask in return is some feedback, and I would appreciate that very much. So I don't want to take up too much of your time, so let's just go ahead and get started. So the things I want to go over today with you are content, backlinks, and citations. Now, the first thing there is content. And anything that is going to be your content is what we find on your website. So any of the wording, any of the photos, what those photos are saved as, and what's behind those photos all go towards your content. Now, Google recommends that you have about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content depending on the competition and the number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So with you being in publishing, I would definitely focus a lot on women's publishing. If you want to target a specific area, however we want to do that, we could look into that. So looking at here, the keywords that you have on there right now are 9 organic keywords. I was looking at one of your competitors that I found online, and she's got over 1,000 keywords. So we would definitely want to search through what keywords that they have on their website, and then that way it'll give you a better idea of what types of keywords you should be targeting and what kind of consumers you want to definitely pull towards your website. So even on your competitors page that I found here, she's definitely got a little bit of content, but she's got those keywords built in. So that's what's giving her those 1.4 thousand keywords. Now, the next thing I want to go over is something that we call backlinks. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find a website linking to another. Now, these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins, aka people's websites pointing back at them. However, not all links are going to be created equal. So it's worth noting that you want things that are relevant to your industry and a lot more like local websites and blogs. Those are going to be what works best. So you do have 284 backlinks here. And going over to this tool again, looking at your competitor here, she's got 1.5 thousand backlinks. Now the idea is to be able to utilize the backlinks that they have and then try to even get more backlinks than what they have. Now, the next thing I want to go over is citations. And what a citation is going to be anywhere that your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly how your Google business profile shows them. Now, citations help you rank on Google, which is extremely important for local businesses. So that helps you generate huge amounts of revenue. Now, citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, the Better Business Bureau, and hundreds of others that you might have heard of. Another way to do this is also social media accounts. Those are great too. Now, the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google is going to trust you. And once Google sees you more often, it's going to be able to help you outrank competitors. Now, once your content, backlinks, and citations come together, that's when you start to outgrow your competitors. I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that this will definitely help you generate some pretty decent revenue. So there's usually many more keywords out there that you could use to generate more and more traffic and leads for your website. So if you do find yourself wanting some more info to continue scaling as far as you want, please feel free to reach out to me and I can help you come up with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach these goals. Again, I want to say thank you for allowing me to make this video for you. My name is Brittany. Please feel free to reach out to me anytime. You'll have all my information in this email. You'll have my email address. You'll have my phone number. But again, thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. You have a great day.